guys, this is my Sunstar 11. So the brand Sunstar, the model is over here at top, and this is a spinner connected to the down. What is wrong at my phone is glitching. This is Hava MM. So this is new Stanley. Look at the switch. It's even new. It's even bigger than Newtek. Yeah, it gives a lot of air, but it's the really biggest size on Unitec, and this is, here's the brand. The switch is even not cool, but it's rare. It's rare to you. It's rare to you. Bye, God. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.